Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 15th, 2024, and we're diving into Curis's latest earnings report for the third quarter of 2024. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Curis is a biotechnology company focused on developing emavusertib, an IRAK4 inhibitor, which is currently in clinical trials for various cancer treatments. Their recent earnings report provides some interesting insights into their financial health and strategic direction.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the financials. Curis reported revenues of $2.9 million for Q3 2024, slightly up from $2.8 million in the same period last year. However, they posted a net loss of $10.1 million. John, how does this compare to analyst expectations?
Curis's EPS came in at $1.70, which actually beat the forecasted EPS of $1.88 from 3 analysts. This indicates that while the company is still operating at a loss, they are managing their expenses better than expected, which is a positive sign for investors.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Curis has also reported a decrease in both research and development and general and administrative expenses. What does this tell us about their operational strategy?
The reduction in R&D expenses to $9.7 million and G&A expenses to $3.8 million suggests that Curis is focusing on cost-cutting measures. This is crucial as they aim to extend their cash runway into mid-2025, allowing them more time to advance their clinical programs without immediate financial pressure.
Clinical developments and strategic initiatives. On the clinical front, Curis has made significant progress with emavusertib. Can you elaborate on their recent developments?
Absolutely. Curis has reported promising preliminary efficacy data for emavusertib, particularly in combination with ibrutinib for lymphoma patients. They are also in discussions with regulatory authorities to define the registrational path for this treatment. Additionally, the recent $10.8 million raised through offerings will support these initiatives.
Risks and challenges. Despite the positive developments, Curis faces some challenges. What are the key risks investors should be aware of?
Curis has a significant liability related to the sale of future royalties, amounting to $35.9 million, which is a concern given their cash position of $31.6 million. Additionally, they face substantial competition in the biotech space, which could impact their market share and future growth.
Key takeaways. In summary, Curis has shown resilience with a slight revenue increase and better than expected EPS, alongside promising clinical progress. However, they must navigate financial liabilities and competitive pressures. John, any final thoughts?
Curis is on a promising path with their clinical developments, but investors should keep an eye on their financial management and competitive landscape. It's a company with potential, but also with risks that need careful consideration.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Curis's performance in the comments below.